You are really doing a big mistake if you are not using this feature. Hello and welcome to your favorite cat channel Cat to Live, and in this video we are going to learn about what is new solver in UI of NX Sketch. First, let me show you the legacy sketch environment. So this is the sketch and just have a double click on this. So currently you can see I'm not getting any make command toolbar, and along with that when I just click on this, so I'll not get any dimension. So I'm just going to delete this, and this is going to display auto dimension to be get turned off. So you can see if I click on this line, I'll not get any preview for the dimension, or I just click on this, so it will not give me any preview. That means I'm not using the new feature which has been provided by NX in their environment of Sketch. So how we can activate that, we are going to learn in this video. So for that, I'm just going to click on finish. Now I'm just going to close this. I do not want to save. So just go to file, then go to utilities. Then here you will find the option of early access feature. Just have a click on this. Now here in find, type sketch. So you will get an option of use the new solver and UI for sketching. Come under state, have a right click here, then just turn it on. Now here you can see restart for activation, it is yes, so we have to restart the NX. Now click on OK, and I'm just going to have a restart of NX. So just close this. So I have restarted the NX. Now let's again go to legacy sketch, the part file name. So I'm just calling the part file name of sketch legacy. Now I'm just going to have a double click on this. So here you will get the option what you want to do with this. So I'm just going to renew and edit. So it will bring it to the new solver because the sketch was prepared in the old solver. Now just click on renew and edit. So you will get two things in this from which you can confirm. The first one is this make command toolbar, and along with that when you are just going to click on this, so you will get the preview of the dimensions so that you can click on this and give the dimension to your sketch. Try this feature in NX Sketch to improve your sketching, and if you have any doubt or question, just let us know in the comments. We would love to answer your questions. So that is all for today. Please do like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel because this is Cat to Live for you.